half an hour. We can finish this level by the end of the day. Hey, what's your name, Ahmed? See if you can get that cable down for me.
I'll sort it out, boss.
Hey, where are you going?
I'll go down, go up, and then pass it down from up there.
Don't waste your time. Just go up to the top of the scaffold, then along the structure, and pass the cable down to us from there.
Looks a little unsafe, boss.
What are you talking about? Of course it's safe. Unless you're drunk. Have you been drinking? Come on, Ahmed. We haven't got much time. Get up there. Now!
No, I'm sorry.
What?
It's unsafe. You can't ask me to go up there.
I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
No, I'm not happy.
Oh, get out of my way.
Ahmed, you okay? So, what happened? Lucia, I came to express our deepest sympathies to you and your family.
In the film you've just been watching, a man died. He left behind a wife, kids, a whole family. The guy thought that he would rush a task to complete earlier. He thought it was the right thing to do. He thought he could take shortcuts. And he fell down and he died. This is not what we want. Time is important, for sure, because in our construction world, we try to be on time, but it doesn't matter the day you have somebody that dies on site. The last thing you want to do in your life is to go to see a family and tell them that it's over. This accident actually did not happen on one of our sites, but it could have easily happened on our site. What we can see there is the recipe for an accident on any construction site. This is not what we expect from you. If at some time you feel the pressure to be forced to take risk, just say no. What you should do is to stop the work, fix the methods, the construction methods, and make sure that when we restart the work, we do it in a very safe manner. We never save money for the company when we compromise on safety. Safety has got to be your #1 priority. You are the safety leader of the company, each one of you. And if you have it deeply in your hearts, then I know that we will progress, and once and for good, we will make our sites safe everywhere we operate in the world. In our company, life is number one. Thank you.